Ronald Wright from Facebook said, "You must well goddamn try. Bird Dog Black Cherry, Simply Watermelon. He said it will get a well goddamn." Our Bird Dog Black Cherry. I shook this as I walked in, but if I don't shake it on camera, someone's going to say, he didn't even shake the juice. Our Simply Watermelon. We had a quick spin. Let's see if Ronald was right or if he was wrong. Cheers. Well, goddamn. What in the hell does that taste like? I mean, I could tell there's cherry and watermelon in there, obviously, but it tastes like a real familiar taste. What the hell is that? It's delicious. Definitely got a well goddamn, and I give this like a 9.8.